Quick Order Pad is a great way to quickly enter orders when you already know the specific products you need. Quick Order Pad is available once you've logged into your account. There are three ways that you can use the Quick Order Pad. First is the speed entry, where you can simply just type in the product number and the quantity. The second is copy paste. So if you've already created a spreadsheet where you have the quantity and the part number, simply paste that in and you're good to go. The third option is file upload. In this example, you can simply upload an Excel spreadsheet and you're off to be able to place that into your cart. Let's just do an example of the speed entry. And let's say that I have a particular model number that I already know, and I know that I want 25 of these. I click Add to Cart, and in just a moment, that product will be added into my cart, where I can simply click on it and check out.